Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to restore deleted files on Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. This right here is the interface. Now let's say I deleted this file or folder by mistake. I'm gonna delete it right now. Well, the item has been deleted, but let's say I want to recover it. To do that, simply look over to the left side of the screen, and right here, just below file request, you will see something called as deleted files. Just click on the button right here. Now as you can see, I have deleted multiple files, and do note that you only have 30 days to restore any file deleted. Let's say this right here is the file that I deleted. I'm just gonna click on the checkbox corresponding to it. And at the right, you can see these two options, restore or permanently delete. Well, it's up to you to select whichever one you wish, but this video is regarding how to restore, so I'm gonna click on this restore button right here. There were multiple files inside that folder, so it's gonna ask for my confirmation. I'm just gonna hit on restore all files. And guys, as you can see, the files are being restored. It might take some time. As you can see, the files have been restored. I'm gonna show you guys right now. As you can see, we have successfully restored the file. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.